I was born on a back road under southern skies, raised on old guitars and my daddy's advice. Small town nights in a broken down truck. Learn real young life ain't always love. There's a little bar down by the railroad line where hearts get healed with whiskey and time. Old folks laughing, neon lights glowing, country songs and the river flowing. I got dust on my boots and fire in my soul. I got dust on my boots and fire in my soul. This road keeps calling my name, and a country boy never really changes. Sunrise breaking over fields of gold. Mama said, son, never let your heart grow cold. So I keep moving with the wind at my back, chasing old dreams down a long dirt track.